If Photoshop is showing that your graphics processor is not detected, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue is actually pretty common, especially on laptops or PCs that switch between integrated and dedicated graphics, or when a driver update breaks Photoshop's hardware detection. By the end of this tutorial, you should have a much better chance of getting Photoshop to recognize your GPU again and restoring smooth performance for zooming, panning, blur effects, and other graphics accelerated features. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, let's make the Windows prioritize your high-performance GPU. This is one of the most important fixes because sometimes Windows automatically assigns Photoshop to the low-power integrated chip instead of your dedicated NVIDIA or AMD card. To start, close Photoshop completely so there are no background processes interfering. Then open the Start menu, type Graphics Settings, and press Enter. In the Graphics Settings menu, look for the Custom Options for Apps section, then click Browse. Now locate your Photoshop executable file. In most cases, it will be in the Adobe Photoshop installation folder, something like C++ Program Files, Adobe Photoshop 2026 Photoshop.exe. Once you add Photoshop to the list, click Options next to it. You should see a choice between letting Windows decide and high performance. Change it to high performance because this tells Windows to launch Photoshop using your dedicated graphics card instead of the integrated chip. After that, click Save and restart Photoshop. If that didn't solve it, the next step is to perform a clean GPU driver update. This is a major fix because outdated, corrupted, or mismatched drivers are one of the most common reasons Photoshop suddenly stops detecting a graphics processor. If you use an NVIDIA card, open NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience. If you use AMD, open AMD Software Adrenaline Edition. Go to the Drivers tab and check for updates. If you're on NVIDIA, there's one extra important step. Click the three dots beside the driver version and make sure you are using the Studio driver rather than the Game Ready driver. Studio drivers are generally more stable for Adobe software and are the better choice for Photoshop users. Download and install the update, then restart your PC completely so the new driver can load properly. Now let's move on to the Photoshop preference side of the problem. Sometimes the graphics card is fine, but Photoshop's internal hardware scanner, also known as the Sniffer, gets stuck and incorrectly reports that no GPU is available. To fix that, open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. On the right side, find the Graphics Processor Settings area. If the Use Graphics Processor checkbox is grayed out or unclickable, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click Advanced Settings. This can force open deeper hardware options. Inside that menu, make sure options like Use OpenCL and Anti-Alias Guides and Paths are enabled if available. These settings help Photoshop use your GPU for canvas rendering and visual acceleration. Click OK, then close Photoshop and reopen it so the changes fully apply. If the problem still continues, the next fix is to clear the Adobe Camera Raw GPU cache. This is useful because sometimes the error is not inside Photoshop itself, but in the background cache that Camera Raw uses for GPU detection and processing. First, close Photoshop again, then open File Explorer and go to your user app data folder. The path is usually c/users/your username/app data roaming/Adobe Camera Raw. Inside that folder, look for a folder named GPU and delete it completely. Don't worry, Photoshop will rebuild this cache the next time it launches. After deleting it, reopen Photoshop and allow it to rescan your graphics hardware from scratch. If you followed all four fixes and Photoshop still isn't detecting your graphics processor, there may be a deeper driver conflict, a corrupted preference file, or a hardware issue that needs further troubleshooting. But in many cases, one of these steps will solve it, especially the Windows GPU priority setting and the Clean Studio driver update. So if you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next troubleshooting video for more Photoshop fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.